Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this short hair hack on Dress to Impress. So first we're going to go to the masculine section and then we're going to get this hair. You can color it to whatever color you want. I'm just going to select this brown. Then I am going to select this hair here in only bangs in this color as well. Then for this one, I'm going to position the X to 0.58. The Z to 0.51, and we're going to scale it down to 0.20. Then I'm going to grab this hair in the only bangs toggle in that same color. Okay, and then we're going to position the Z to 0.51 and we're going to scale it up to 0.66. Then we're going to use this new hair here, this one, the short hair in also the same brown. We're going to position the Y to 0.48, the Z to 0.47, and we're going to scale it all the way to 0.39. Okay, and then we're going to get this short hair here, in no bangs in that same color. And we're going to position the Z to 56 and then rotate the X to 0.63, and we're going to scale all the way down to 0.22. Then we're going to grab the hair with bows. I can just find it. In only bangs in brown. Then we're going to grab this hair. Oh, I just saw it. Oh my gosh, I'm so fed up. I am so okay. This hair in only bangs. And then for this one, position the Y to 0.59 and then the Z to 0.41, and we're going to scale it all the way to 0.37. And that is it. We have this super cute hair on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.